Why ICT will always make you lose money. Let's be honest. You've been studying ICT concepts, drawing order blocks, fair value gaps, market structure, trend lines, equal lows and highs, and more. And yet your account keeps bleeding. Why? Because ICT doesn't work. It's strategy problem. That's why all of ICT concepts never hit TP, maybe 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. But I'm sure for the next one you will lose all of your equity. And even more, you will never see any TP, never. I was there. And I'm going to prove it to you, chart by chart. And at the end, I will tell you what to do, to avoid losses forever, and be profitable consistently. Market structure. ICT teaches you to read HH, HL, LL, LH to define trend. Sounds simple. But look at the chart, the structure shifts 3 to 4 times in one session. Which one do you follow? Market structure is not what ICT says. It's something different. And I personally use it a different way. Traders chase every break of structure, BOS, and end up overtrading. Reality, you get whipsawed to death. Order blocks. ICT defines an order block as the last opposite candle before a strong move. Look at this chart, 3 different, valid, order blocks stacked together. Which one is real? Which one works? You pick one, risk 30 pips, market tags your stop, then respects another one. Reality, order blocks are subjective. They look perfect in hindsight, but live trading they destroy your account. Fair value gaps, FVGs. ICT tells you, price always returns to fill FVGs. Watch this example. Here's an FVG, price never comes back to it. Instead, it trends away for days. Traders wait endlessly or force entries. By the time FVG is filled, account already gone. Reality, FVGs are not reliable entry signals. How many times has this happened to you? You see trend line, you enter, stop loss. You mark an order block, it fails. You trust a fair value gap, price ignores it. You spend hours studying ICT, yet your account equity curve looks like a staircase going down. Be honest. How many times have you blown your account? 97% of traders pass a prop firm challenge but never make it to the second payout. ICT is the reason why. It feeds you false hope. So listen carefully. ICT looks powerful on historical data, but in live markets it's a trap. Market conditions is changed, algorithm of forex is changed, it's built to make you the liquidity, not the winner. No system based on ICT concepts is profitable long-term. None. That's why I built my own trading system, tested, structured, and designed to survive real markets. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you on this channel. Stop being the 97% that blows accounts. Start trading like the 3% that actually withdraw profits. Subscribe now, because this is the only system that will keep you alive. Every colored box and fancy phrase you learned online told you one thing: you can predict the market. You were sold a religion, chart religion. I'm going to pull that religion down, candle by candle. I'm going to show you why the most popular tricks, order blocks, fair value gaps, support and resistance, equal highs/lows, and trend lines, are unreliable in live markets. Then I'll show you a rules-based system that survives. No hype. No BS, rules you can backtest. If you want to stop losing money, listen carefully. Market psychology. Why traders become emotional. Markets don't care about your feelings. But your trades are run by them. Fear, hope, confirmation bias, and the "they'll get it back" mindset, each one quietly destroys accounts. When a teacher draws a line and says, "enter here," your brain looks for evidence that supports that line. That's confirmation bias. When price goes against you, your brain invents reasons to stay in. That's hope. Hope with leverage is destruction. The behavioral loop: study, trade, regret, repeat. Most traders go through a loop: study a method, test it, trade it live with size too large, lose, look for new method. This loop repeats. The cure is rules plus a proven profitable system plus conservative risk. Order blocks. Order block. In ICT language, it's the last opposite direction candle or cluster before a large, impulsive move. Traders are taught to market and wait for a retest. Why order blocks fail live. Order blocks are subjective, look perfect in hindsight, and produce too many candidate zones. They're not a single mechanical rule you can rely on. Let me break down 5 fundamental problems. Subjectivity: different traders mark different candles. Stacking: multiple OBs overlap, causing conflicting signals. Hindsight selection: teachers pick winners from history. Timeframe conflicts: order block on M15 versus order block on H1, which one wins? Execution reality: spreads and slippage aren't considered. Trader mistakes: you believe the box is sacred. You size up. You tighten your stop to fit the box. You're trading hope. When the market wicks through your box and stops you, you blame the market. But the real fault is trusting a subjective rectangle. Deep example. Example 1: order block. Example 1: stacked order blocks. Watch this M30 sequence. Teacher A calls order block 1 on this candle. Teacher B calls order block 2, 2 bars later. Trader chooses order block 1, enters on retest with 5 lot, price touches the stop, you lose. You were sliced by subjectivity. Why FVGs are unreliable. Not all gaps are created equal. Many FVGs are noise. Some are structural and informative, many are not. The problem is there is no robust filter to separate them algorithmically except context, and context is subjective. Traders wait for fills and tie up capital. They increase size by "this one's sure." That's hope with leverage. Final words: why the ICT way systematically loses. Take OB plus FVG plus S/R plus equal highs plus trend lines, you now have a garden of subjective signals. Each one gives an emotional anchor: I found it. But anchors conflict. The result: overtrading, wider stops, random outcomes. Here's the exact system I will teach on this channel. For first, subscribe now. And then you must see the video I tag at this video, click on it at up, right, above, to direct you at the video you must see before anything. RT system I design is based on detect market structure, find liquidity hunts, and that's all. I can guaranteed after you learn the system I design, practice well, backtest for long term in any market conditions, your life will changes forever, and you will become profitable. So after you see the video I mention, the only thing is wait for next episode 1 will record for you at the next video to learn the RT system, and after that you will be never lose money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on notification to after I upload the RT system video you be the first one to receive it.